Cool. How long have you been riding now?
This is like my fourth ride, maybe.
Oh, really?
25 total miles, I think, maybe. Yeah. When I'm going, it's fine. It's like the stopping.
Yep, that's the hardest part. That's what I was saying. Stopping and starting is the hard
And then
part.
also the thing that's weird and I'm not used to is when you mentioned about the sand thing, like going through this stuff up here,
Yeah,
it's like so sketch.
yeah,
But what's not sketchy is like the bumps.
yeah.
And it's the opposite for a one wheel.
Gotcha.
So like on the sand, it's like, you might figure out a bit, and really going over like those stumps, you might like just because the wheels are small, you might have an issue.
Right. My problem recently has been my knee. My right knee keeps bothering me. That one has an actual water resistance rating, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm jealous of that. This thing does
You
not.
can try it if you want to. I got like the deal of a lifetime on it. I've seen other people like put theirs up for sale with higher mileage, selling this for like 15 or 2K.
Yeah.
And the guy sold it to me for one.
Oh, dang.
Um,
That is good. What the heck?
yeah.
Did he know you, or was it like
No.
just random guy?
Yeah, I'm just a rando.
That's a good deal.
He bought that wheel that you have.
Huh. Interesting.
And he's like, yeah, I don't ride the wheel. I'm like, okay. And then, of course, I looked online to see what all was going on with the wheel, if there was any issues. He did have an issue with it, but it was fixed. Basically, like all the lights went out.
Yeah.
The wheel was still working with the lights went out. So I just like replaced the board.
Hmm.
But I will say I'm riding considerably slower than I am with this trail on the home wheel.
Oh, yeah.
Like my average speed on that is like around 8%, something like that.
Uh-huh.
Maxing out at maybe like 12 on the smooth straightaway.
Yeah.
I don't even know how fast I'm going on this.
That's just because you're not used to it, though. Once you get used to it, you'll fly down these trails.
But now when I see the loose band, I'm just like, it makes me want to like slow down into it.
Say it again?
When I see the loose band, it makes me want to like break into it almost.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Just because I know I'm going to start tilting forward.
Yeah.
But I guess what I should do is be like pushing my knees into it, or what?
I think so. See, that's the weird thing, is I still don't feel like I know how to ride sand. I fall less often, but I still don't feel like I have a technique down. I don't understand.
I thought you were talking about this spot is a spot that you said you didn't like of this trail. You said the grassy area.
Oh no, that's I think it's, if you're doing the full loop, it's like 7 miles in, something like that.
Okay, so it's not on the short.
I don't remember, cause I never take the short. I always take the long, and I forget where the short joins back to the long. So
I've ridden mostly the short, so I know. I actually know it pretty much by, not completely by heart, but like
right.
I know pretty well.
Yeah, I know this trail, the long one, pretty well.
The only thing I'm a little concerned about is there's like a couple drop offs towards the end
Yeah,
where it cuts around, drops off, does like a hard 180.
yeah. What PSI are you running?
I think I put it up to 40.
Gotcha.
That's what everybody's saying, like, oh, don't put it any less than that because you damage the rim.
Right, that's what I keep hearing too, but I run at 20. I'm just careful not to hit roots too hard, and I feel like that's fine for me.
And I'm also heavier.
Yeah, yeah. Also has suspension to absorb impact and stuff like that too.
But I will say this one just like work on it while I'm doing it. Like, I haven't come into it where it's like not gonna let me go.
Yeah.
How many times have you ridden this spread?
So recently I've been riding a lot, so I don't know like all time, but recently I've probably ridden it like a dozen times in the past like 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Yeah, what I had been doing was like coming out here kind of like first thing in the morning when it's cooler,
Yeah,
and like on my way to work.
yeah. It's nice first thing in the morning. I've been out here a couple times when
Yeah,
it's
it's like
like
a little
dawn.
cooler. Yeah, normally if it's like a pretty big tree root, you kind of have on the one where you have to kind of like prepare for it.
Yeah,
This one you're just like,
and monster truck over it.
yeah, just like, I mean you got a bump, but I don't think I can get through this.
Yeah,
Okay.
Hey! Nice. Yeah, that one messed me up a few times back when I was riding my MCM5. When I first started trail riding.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this one, so it's funny, since this one's like 70 pounds, it's almost double the weight of a one wheel.
Yeah.
And so after like just kind of messing around with it for a little bit, then I went to go pick up the one wheel and I was like, why is it so I was like throwing it around.
Yeah.
Why is it so light?
Yeah. How much does that weigh?
This one,
Yeah. Oh.
wow, I can't believe that I just did that.
Nice.
That was like a dirt bike spinning out on the back.
Yeah. And once you start to get used to sliding, you can actually control the slide. Just power through it for the most part. Whoops.
So how many miles have you ridden total on that? Or on EUC?
I don't know. I'd have to check.
I did go on a little group ride in Jacksonville.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that was like 2 weeks ago, maybe.
Cool. You go with one-wheelers or EUC riders or what?
Nice. It was like a couple people on scooters and a guy on a bike.
Oh yeah?
They said like the normal group ride is a little bit later at night, and they were just doing like a really easy day ride, and I was like, all right, sweet. I'm looking for easy because I'm not used to riding.
Yeah.
So, and then I saw there was a couple different like group rides or EUC, but I'm like asking them what their average speed is, because they're probably running like 15, 20, and I'm going like half that.
Yeah. Yeah, I've gone up to 35, but past that, I'm like, this thing is wobbly.
I think the most I've gotten up to is like 17, maybe.
Yeah.
I do know what you mean though. Like once you kind of get into it, you get like a feel for it.
Yeah.
So the long one, I think you turn left and then you go left again.
Yep, you do.
Yeah. last time I came here, this was all burnt out.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Looks like it had been recently burned.
Yeah, it wasn't even looking like it was all black.
Are you using any forward tilt or pedal tilt? Can't speak.
I have it on 0. I don't know if I should.
Gotcha.
The only thing I'm thinking is if I let go of it and nothing's balancing it,
Uh-huh.
if it's like tilted forward and it turns off, it'll just automatically fall forward, right?
Maybe? Not really sure.
Like right now where it is, even though the pedals are flat, the weight's balanced
Yeah,
front and back. So
gotcha. Yeah, the S22 is heavy in the back, which I don't know why they made it like that, because I think that's the reason that a lot of people have problems with the wobbles on it. So,
and then there was one other feature I turned off. At first I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. It's called like pedal assist or hill assist, something like that.
huh.
And when you're going down the hill, it tilts it back. Basically just levels out the pedal.
Interesting.
So if you're going uphill, it's like tilts forward for you.
I noticed this one has a little bit of a pedal dip. If you do a corner a certain way, when you exit the corner, your pedals will be tilting downwards. And it takes like a couple seconds for it to level back out. We got a walker in front of us in a little bit.
After you. What are those things, by the way?
It's an electric unicycle.
All right.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Yep. The hardest part right there.
What?
I said that's the hardest part right there.
Yeah. All right. I did it.
Ah, so this is where it joins.
Yep, this is where it joins back.
Yeah.
But I do kind of like that little piece, that little shortcut.
Yeah.
It's got some little curves and stuff to it.
Yeah, it's nice.
If I remember correctly, that part that we missed, there's some pretty decently difficult obstacles.
It's got a lot of tight, twisty turns.
Yeah.
You gotta really know how to turn sharply.
The only thing I don't really like about riding by myself, I mean, I do like riding by myself, but if something does happen, you know.
Right. Whoop. I went over the worst part of that.
Yeah, that's like, to me, that was the worst one on the short trail. The worst part, I think.
Gotcha. Yeah, I went off on an adventure the other day. I got into the springs around Econ Fina creek.
Yeah, yeah.
And I just went on the dirt roads, and they have like some horse trails and stuff, but I ended up getting lost like way back in the woods and like super sandy trails I could barely even ride.
Yeah, that's what I was saying about that horse trail. Basically, this is horse trail.
Yeah.
It's gonna be not fun. It's gonna
Yeah.
be sandy, just real thick loose sand.
Yep.
There's a trail like that that goes from Origins Watertown. It starts in Conservation Park, but really it's just like a construction road, and it was just loose sand. I rode it one time. It was not hard.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Thank you.
Wow.
No, not yet.
That is so cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I haven't had anyone like get mad at me, but I have had some like angry looking stares.
I think as long as you're really respectful and polite, like this word,
Yeah.
most people are not gonna.
Yeah, I agree. And I say I've had angry stares, but it's kind of hard to tell if some people are just like really curious and they just have like, you know, a resting bitch face type thing.
I mean, I know I do. If you don't hear me talk or anything,
Yeah.
wow, okay. I can't write over that, I'll be honest. If you can jump that, I'll record it. But
I'll try it. I saw this actually last time and I was like, I'm not gonna do it. But you know what? Today I'm gonna try it.
let's put it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I think that there.
This is almost certainly not going to work, but you know what?
Look, it's going. Boom. And then we just do that with the landing here a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's gonna be good.
It'll be something, that's for sure. Yep, should be good. Here we go. You ready? All right. Yeah. I hit my seat. I'm surprised it worked. That was cool.
Sweet. That was perfect.
Yeah, it worked.
I got a good little clip of that too.
Cool. Sweet.
Wow. Now I see why people are like, oh, suspension. Yeah, just.
You want to try this?
Maybe when we get to like a little smoother spot.
Yeah.
For sure. But I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't because it's like one of those things. Sometimes it's better not knowing
Right?
what you're missing,
Yeah.
and then you just work on what you have. But I mean, the other truth is, like I said, I could totally sell this one or keep it, and still make a. If I sold it, I would buy that towards the next one.
Yeah, you could sell it for more than you bought it for, probably.
Oh, definitely. And maybe the guy sold it for cheap because I picked it up from him.
Huh.
Like on the Alabama I-10.
Gotcha.
Do you have a lot of followers on your page?
What's that?
Do you have a lot of followers on your page?
No, I just started uploading recently, and I don't do any editing. I just upload the raw files normally.
Okay.
I get like 100, 200 views a video, so not much.
Well, it feels like we're going slower than we are.
Yeah.
And we're like, I think going faster than what I used to ride long on. Like,
Yeah, I
that
think
was,
so.
That was like, I mean, booking it.
Yeah, and like I said, once you get used to riding it, you'll ride it like 2, maybe even 3 times the speed.
It's probably getting, even around the curve.
No, maybe not. Like 1.5 times the speed around curves. And then like 3 times on the straightaway type thing. Yeah, my biggest problem now is just I have to slow down because I can't see around corners and I don't want to, hit someone.
So, something that this wheel has, I don't know about that one does, but I have it turned off, but this one has like a sound generator,
Yeah, this one does not, but
and it just sounds like a, I don't know,
yeah, I've heard it on videos, so I know what you're talking about.
like, the more you torque it, the more it makes it sound.
Yeah. Back when I rode my MCM5 around cities and like on sidewalks and stuff, people wouldn't hear me, so I started riding with music, just with a portable speaker, so people would hear me come up behind them.
Yeah, this one's got, it's convenient, like if you have your phone out, I guess,
Yeah,
in the app, it has like a horn, and you will like play a point sound.
gotcha.
Yeah, here's the, this was the difficult part.
Gotcha. Hmm.
But on this, it's like, this right here is the difficult.
Right.
Wow, okay. That was the spot I was thinking that I was going to stop it up.
Nah, you got this.
I feel like we almost should have went the other way to go up it.
Yeah.
I mean, not yet, but. roughly twice the same amount of time? To do the whole loop?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Sweet. Nice ride, dude.
Still at 88%.
Nice.
Man, that's ridiculous. Yeah, we rode for like, hold on.